What changes did you notice about yourself when you entered fatherhood?
Understanding that now your life is a huge chunk of your life is about thinking about them and protecting them and
Mhm,
providing for them from one day to the next, right?
mhm,
I mean, obviously there's a leading up to when they're born, but from one day to the next, it's I can't just be like, hey, I'm gonna go, catch a movie with my friend this afternoon, or I want to take a trip to New York to visit my cousin, or I want to, do nothing today, right? It's over, like in one day. Then you really start to see how you deal with real pressure and with
Mm.
a real human being and human beings that depend on you for literally everything.
Elaborate on that pressure.